All right, let's take a look at this rigging system here. Got the ring down there, going, the line's tied off with the bucket. Going through a block right there, over the two rings over here. That lower ring's just mostly a redirect, keep from side loading the tree. And then I got a little knot, this is a slip knot rigging, a slip knot on that, double ring there, with a little loop there. And the idea is, and then we tied it out. So the idea is to get this thing to start dropping, and then when the rope catches it, it should swing it back away from this other tree here. They're pretty tough. So this is sugar maple, both of them. And I don't expect to do any damage there, but you know, it's reaching out a good ways past the canopy of this tree. So let's see what happens here. Hold on a second. All right, so she pulled nicely away off that other tree there. The desired effect was achieved. Do you guys get it? Let me know.